Go over to the gradient tool, select that. Select the gradient, any of the gradients. I'm just going to go with one of my favourite ones, so select that one. And then just apply. Now hold down the shift key and then drag downwards. And release. And you've got that gradient. Now it's not repeated. You can see it's just a single gradient, blue all the way to yellow. What you can then do is simply go over here to the Move tool and make certain this layer is unlocked. You'll need the Layers panel for this, so Window and Layers. Just go over here and click this padlock. Now you can transform it. So let's just remove that and just drag upwards. And you can then create a thin or something like that maybe and press return. What you can then do, hold down the Alt or Option key on the keyboard, so Alt or Option depending if you're on a PC or Mac, and then drag. And then you can position it, just snap it like that. Make certain you've got snap set to on. Then again, repeat that and just drag again and repeat again and repeat again. And of course you can fill all the thing if you wish. Or what you can also do, you'll notice that one of these is slightly things, so you can just shift it if you want. And I quite often notice it. You can see the transparency through that, so just push that up. But what you can also do is you can flip it. At the moment, you've got this gradient here, but you can see this sharp edge. So select this one and then just go up here, and with Properties panel, you can then click that to flip it. And you can see now you've got the yellow all the way to blue and then blue to yellow. And then you go to that one, the third one, and you can repeat that. Just do the same. And then you've got obviously the yellow and yellow there. Not that one, but this one. Click that one and again repeat the quick flip.